In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage permissions you've given in PayPal. If you've ever connected your PayPal account to a website, app, or service, it's a good idea to review what access you've allowed over time. This helps you stay in control of your account and remove permissions you no longer need. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find those settings and how to remove access if necessary. To get started, log into your PayPal account. Once you're on your account homepage, look for the gear icon, usually located in the top area of the screen. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open your account settings. This is where PayPal keeps many of your personal, security, and privacy options. After the settings page opens, find the section labeled Data and Privacy, then click on it. This area is where PayPal lets you manage how your information is handled, along with the permissions connected to your account. If you're reviewing your account for privacy or security reasons, this is an important place to check from time to time. Inside the Data and Privacy section, look for the option called Permissions You've Given. Click on that to continue. This page shows the third-party permissions associated with your PayPal account. In other words, it lists the apps, websites, or services that you've previously authorized to access certain parts of your PayPal account. Once you open that page, you'll be able to view the permissions you've granted. Take a moment to look through the list carefully. If you recognize a service and still use it, you can leave it as it is. But if you see something you no longer use, don't recognize, or simply don't want connected anymore, you can remove it. To remove a permission, click Remove next to the item you want to disconnect. This will revoke that service's access to your PayPal account. Keep in mind that removing permission may affect how that app or website works, especially if it relies on PayPal for payments or account linking. So it's best to remove access only when you're sure you no longer need the connection. That's all it takes to manage permissions you've given in PayPal. It's a quick process, but it can make a big difference in keeping your account organized and secure. Reviewing connected permissions regularly is a smart habit, especially if you've used PayPal with multiple online services over time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.